Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to carry over a budget month to month in Rocket Money. If you want to budget to carry over from month to month, means leftover money doesn't disappear. This money is for you. I'm going to show you how to turn on budget over carry in Rocket Money. First, open the Rocket Money app on your iPhone and log in. Once you are in the home screen, tap budget at the bottom of the screen. This is where all your spending categories lay. Look for the budget category you want to carry out, like groceries, dining, or shopping. Tap on that category. Inside the category setting, scroll down and look for an option that says carry over, rollover, or carry remaining balance. When you see it, turn it on. If you don't spend all your money in the category like this month, the extra amount rolls in the next month. For example, if your grocery budget is $400 and you only spend $300, the extra $100 carry over. After turning it on, tap save or done. Once carryover is on, Rocket Money will automatically keep track for your every month. You don't have to reset anything manually. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.